Look this here. Don't get this. I say, I don't get.
I will do for who? Did you just know who you do for? For here, Mr. King, Mr. Thick,
Mr. Bob.
an important person, yourself. Change your life. Change for yourself. Listen to mom. Drink for your life.